Hello everyone and welcome back in a new video. The video is based on Yeastar S Series PBX firmware upgrade. So if you have Yeastar S Series PBX like S412, S100, S300 or S50, then you can upgrade the firmware of your PBX by following this video. So first of all, from where you can get the firmware is you need to access the Yeastar website yeastar.com, and on the website hover over resources and click on firmware option. So here we need to check for S series PBX, and as we have Yeastar S412 PBX, so we have to download the specific model firmware. So either you can download the zip file and then extract, or you can directly download the bin file. So just click and the firmware will be downloaded. So I have already downloaded this firmware and this is into the bin format. And if you want to check the updates in the firmwares, then just click on release notes and you will see a history of all the updates recently available for the PBX. So this is the last firmware update on July 7, 2026, and the version is 30.15.0.216. And to upgrade the PBX to the latest firmware version, log in your S series PBX and click on maintenance option. Here you have the first option of upgrade. So you can select the firmware file and upload, or if you have internet available on the PBX, then you can simply check for new firmware and it will automatically detect the new firmware. Then you can click on install and it will be downloaded, and then after installed itself in the PBX from the internet path. So now I'm going to show you the manual firmware upgrade. So just select your firmware file by clicking on browse and select your firmware file. Now click on upload, and as a safety measure, precaution is you need to take the backup of your PBX. Since I have a new PBX, so I'm not taking the backup, but if you have already configured PBX, then before upgrading the firmware, take the backup. So let's wait for complete upload and then install. The Yeastar PBXs are modular PBX, which means you can connect the hardwares according to the requirement. If you want to extend the FX port, just put in S2 module, and if you want to extend the FXO ports, then put in O2 module in the PBX. Similarly, if you want to connect the PRI on the selected models, then you can connect the EX30 module, and similarly for GSM and LTE module. Now it's upgrading and validating the image file. So now we have to wait for 2 minutes. And now the PBX is restarting. Okay, so the PBX is upgraded now. And after the firmware upgrade, it is giving the prompt to change the default password. Okay, so the password is changed, and let me log in again with the new password. And now I'll show you the firmware, how you can check the latest version. So click on the resource monitor. So in the resource monitor, you can see the firmware version of your PBX, and it is updated to the latest version. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel